is a Map Business Online quick video tutorial. We just want to talk about Map Business Online 7.3 just released in June of 2021. 4 updates or features have been added to the tool. The first one, I can just show you here that if you want to export all of the zip codes, boundaried plus point zip codes, and you can learn more about that by going to our blog and looking up all about zip codes. You can simply export, go to the zip code layer in the data window. So select that right here in the drop down. Select the zip code layer, click the export button, and pick from these options: add point only boundaries, no boundaries, export only records assigned to a territory, or segment the data records by territory. So you have those options, but you can get all of the zip codes. So boundary zip codes, which are what you see on the map with boundaries, and point zip codes, which are large installations across the nation, about 2,500 of them, some odd number, that the post office delivers bulk mail to. So you can export that out using that export button, choose the option that you'd like. Another function that was added to Map Business Online was for territories. You can now click the territory button, click Summarize, and you have the option here to, once you've picked whatever data you want to bring over, click Next, and you will find you have the option to add to the map, and so you're able to now put a quick summary of data, a spreadsheet, if you will, on the map. And I've already done that here and optimized it so it had a white background, and I right justified it. So now a quick summary for territories on the map. You didn't have that option before. You were able to do it by, I think by circle, maybe by polygon, but you weren't able to do it for a territory. The summary function is nice for grabbing 10 sets of demographic data, or maybe 8 sets of demographic data and 2 sets of imported data, columns of imported data, adding that into a spreadsheet, putting it on the map for a quick reference for your map users. Another function that we added here is the territory. Under the territory button in Map and Data, you can click the Edit gear, and we now have under General the option to choose a color for the territory boundary. So I could change the sort of rusty red color boundary that I've got on there, which used to be all black all the time, to a bright red, or I can change it to a nice blue. So it's up to you what you want that color to be, and you've got many colors to choose from. Have a ball with it. I think it's a nice little addition. You've got the ability to select either add a color through the color box, or you can choose the territory color. And then the last thing I wanted to just mention is if you go in by any particular map layer option, you have the option for calculated data columns. So you can manage calculated data columns in Map and Data. And managing calculated data columns lets you build a calculation. So if we went in and said we wanted to create a calculation that results in a number, you have options here for percentage, currency, etc. And then you can put a formula option in there. So a simple formula now is one option, and that's always been there, where you could sum, for instance, like layers of demographic data, bring that over and add that, and then that's a calculated data column. But now you're gonna also have the ability to add scripting. So if you're a genius and you've got some scripting, some programmatical scripting that you can put into words here, which I don't, but people do, you can put that in here, whatever it is, and then insert that column into your data. So it works to add that into the formula, and then you've got an unexpected error because I didn't put anything that made any sense. But that is a place where you can add scripting. If you need more help with that, just let us know. I'm sure we can advise you through it, but I am not a scripting expert. So we wanted to get those 4 new features out to you. Those are features that were requested by Map Business Online users, and we put in the product. So always consider your features important to us and let us know what's missing from the application that can help you in your business. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial.